Welcome to Health Legacy TV. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: holistic health practices. We all know the importance of a good diet and exercise, but true well-being goes beyond just the physical. So if you're ready to unlock your full health potential, stick around because we're about to explore 10 powerful holistic health practices that you can incorporate into your life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel Health Legacy TV and join our community focused on all things health and wellness. So what exactly is holistic health? It's a philosophy that considers all aspects of your well-being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. It's about understanding that these elements are intertwined and that addressing one can positively impact the others. Imagine your health as a puzzle. Each piece represents a different aspect of your well-being. Holistic health looks at the bigger picture, aiming to keep all the pieces connected and functioning harmoniously. This approach encourages you to take an active role in your health journey. It's not just about masking symptoms. It's about addressing the root causes and fostering a deeper connection with yourself. From ancient techniques like acupuncture and yoga to the power of touch with massage therapy, there's something for everyone. If you want to have in-depth knowledge about holistic health practices, please visit to our website, Health Legacy, and read a detailed article about it. The link is given in the description. Our first stop on our holistic health journey takes us to ancient China with acupuncture. This practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points along the body's meridians, which are energy pathways. The theory behind acupuncture is fascinating. By stimulating these specific points, we can restore the flow of qi or vital energy throughout the body. Acupuncture has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of conditions, from chronic pain and headaches to digestive issues and anxiety. Modern science is starting to understand the mechanisms behind its effectiveness, with studies showing its impact on pain signals and neurotransmitters. Just be sure to consult with a licensed and experienced practitioner. From ancient China, we travel to ancient India, the birthplace of yoga. While often associated with physical postures, yoga is much more than just a workout. It's a holistic practice that connects the mind, body, and spirit. Yoga involves a series of physical postures, or asanas, combined with controlled breathing techniques, or pranayama. These practices help improve flexibility, strength, balance, and even cardiovascular health. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Yoga encourages mindfulness, helping you become more aware of your body, breath, and thoughts. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a curious beginner, there's a style out there for you. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of quiet reflection can seem impossible. That's where meditation comes in. This ancient practice has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Meditation is essentially a practice of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. The benefits of regular meditation are numerous. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, increase focus and concentration, and even promote emotional regulation. You don't need any special equipment or prior experience. Simply find a quiet space, set aside a few minutes each day, and begin to cultivate a sense of inner peace. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on the healing power of plants. Herbal medicine uses various parts of plants, roots, leaves, flowers, and seeds for their therapeutic properties. These natural remedies can be consumed in various ways, including teas, tinctures, capsules, and essential oils. Each herb has its own unique properties and can address a wide range of health concerns. While herbal medicine can be a valuable complement to conventional treatments, it's crucial to remember that herbs are potent substances. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. Have you ever noticed how certain scents can evoke powerful memories or emotions? Aromatherapy harnesses the power of smell to influence our mood and well-being. It uses essential oils, which are highly concentrated extracts from plants, to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and even alleviate physical discomfort. Essential oils can be inhaled directly, diffused into the air, or applied topically when diluted in a carrier oil. Lavender oil, known for its calming properties, can help promote sleep and reduce anxiety. Peppermint oil can relieve headaches and improve focus. Aromatherapy can be a wonderful addition to your self-care routine, adding a touch of serenity to your day. Our next holistic practice focuses on the intricate framework of our bodies, the spine. Chiropractic care emphasizes the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of musculoskeletal disorders, particularly those related to the spine. Chiropractors use a variety of techniques, including spinal adjustments and manipulations, to restore proper alignment and improve joint function. Chiropractic care can be beneficial for a wide range of conditions, including back pain, neck pain, headaches, and even sciatica. If you're experiencing persistent pain or discomfort, consider consulting with a qualified chiropractor. Often described as meditation in motion, Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that combines gentle, flowing movements with deep breathing and mindfulness. It's a low-impact exercise that's accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. The slow, deliberate movements of Tai Chi help improve balance, coordination, and flexibility. The focus on deep breathing promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Studies have shown that Tai Chi can have numerous health benefits, including reducing pain from arthritis, improving heart health, and enhancing sleep quality. If you're looking for a gentle yet powerful way to improve your physical and mental well-being, give Tai Chi a try. We all know the saying, "You are what you eat," and it's true. Nutrition plays a fundamental role in our overall health and well-being. What we fuel our bodies with directly impacts our energy levels, mood, sleep, and even our risk for chronic diseases. A holistic approach to nutrition goes beyond just counting calories or restricting food groups. It's about nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods that provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits into your routine and gradually build from there. Our final holistic health practice brings us to the power of touch. Massage therapy involves manipulating the soft tissues of the body using varying degrees of pressure and movement. It's a deeply relaxing experience that can provide numerous physical and emotional benefits. Massage can help alleviate muscle tension, reduce pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. There are various types of massage, each with its own techniques and benefits. Swedish massage is a gentle form that's great for relaxation and stress relief. If you're feeling stressed, sore, or just need some pampering, consider booking a massage. So there you have it, 10 powerful holistic health practices that can transform your well-being. Remember, true health is about more than just the absence of disease. It's about cultivating a state of complete physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual balance. If you're ready to embark on your own holistic health journey, hit that subscribe button and subscribe our channel Health Legacy TV, and stay tuned for more informative videos. And don't forget to visit our website Health Legacy, where you'll find a wealth of resources, articles, and tips to support you on your path to optimal well-being. Thanks for watching. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.